I wanted to create a quiet, beautiful styled spot in the back garden to enjoy for the holiday week. But before the styling happens, the real work comes first. I'm doing some much needed trimming on my magnolia. I prefer keeping it trained into a tree form rather than a large shrub. It looks more structured that way, and I can shape it to provide diffuse lighting for the plants growing underneath. I'm also deadheading. That always keeps me busy, but it makes the garden look so nice once it's completed. It's definitely a workout, but the garden always looks so much better once this heavy work is done. If you watched last week's video, you'll recognize this little table set. One of the design pieces we talked about was seating and why a small mobile table is one of those essential pieces every garden needs. This is exactly why I love it. It is so lightweight and easy to move around, allowing you to instantly create a beautiful new vignette anywhere you want to sit and relax. You don't have to wait for a massive party or a house full of guests to pull out your pretty things. I love finding ways to make an ordinary day feel a bit more special just for myself to enjoy. I finished it off with some garden flowers styled in a vintage silver pitcher. We definitely have to add in some red and a nod to the 4th of July week. It only took a few minutes to set up, but taking the time to design a moment like this makes the whole week feel intentional. And of course, I have a little curious company wanting to know if he is missing anything. I hope this inspires you to take a little time to make your own day special this week.